नमस्कार। हमारा देश और पूरा विश्व आज कोविड-19 की चुनौती का सामना कर रहा है। कोविड-19 अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। ऐसे में हमारा फर्ज है कि हम सतर्क रहें। इसलिए जब तक दवाई नहीं
It has been over a year since the pandemic began, and life as we know changed drastically. COVID-19 has taken the lives of millions of people worldwide, as well as adversely affecting the economy and people's livelihoods. Several questions about the pandemic still remain unanswered. For policymakers, it is crucial to understand fears, opinions, and estimates of the layperson about the pandemic. It is also critical that the voices of everyone in the society be heard, especially the less fortunate. With these thoughts in mind, we at JPF came together to study the perceptions of Punekars about the pandemic. What started as a team of 6 hackathon participants grew to a diverse group of over 40 driven volunteers, all eager to give back to the society. Over the past year, our team collaborated with Carnegie Mellon University and over 15 NGOs in Pune to design a knowledge, attitudes, and practices survey. Our findings have been summarized in a detailed policy report and interactive geospatial tool to be used in the near future. This study would not have been possible without the participation of Punekars from all walks of society, young and old, students and retirees, medical workers, and those who can work from home alike. How did these Punekars from different backgrounds experience the pandemic? Did they get impacted differently? Much like soldiers in a war, the pandemic has had a disproportionate impact on our frontline workers like the doctors, nurses. We have found the medical workers faced the highest impact of pandemic. However, the impact of pandemic was not just medical but also economic. Job loss, income change, lockdown all affected people's lives. Here we found the lower socioeconomic strata, marginalized sections faced the highest economic impact. Beyond the physical impact of pandemic, we also looked at the perceptions and psychological factors. One's attitudes are very important in shaping one's behavior. Risk and threat perception influence one's responses to the situation. We saw that the public was split about their perceptions of fear. This polarization was also reflected in attitudes about various mitigation measures employed to fight the pandemic. For example, highly educated people were more skeptic about the vaccine, reflecting trends seen beyond Pune across the world, where income and education correlate with the vaccine hesitancy. One's attitudes and information are shaped in this infodemic age by the knowledge and trust one has in different information sources. For example, we found that while there was overall high trust in government and NGOs, people were skeptical about social media like WhatsApp. Finally, we look towards the future to ask what it has in store for us. We asked questions about the elusive return to normalcy and when the pandemic will end. Punekars believe that it will take at least till the end of 2021 for the situation to return to pre-pandemic times. Why does this matter? Why should we care? The future course of the coronavirus pandemic depends upon the knowledge, attitudes, and practices of people experiencing it. Being sensitive to these perceptions can help decision makers drive large-scale behavioral interventions and infrastructural changes to build a better world.